All right, guys, welcome back to the Monster Misfits. So we had a few questions about the pumpkin pulp I want to try to address in this video. So this is our dry product. This is already dry. And one thing that you're going to have to do once you apply this is you're going to have to go back over it with the liquid. So this is still in the drying stage. So this stuff in the pumpkin pulp takes a little bit for it to dry. And as you can see, it's not like super shiny like the seeds. The seeds are dry. So what you're going to need to do once that's completely dry is get in your tub with a little paintbrush or something and take out some of the liquid and go back over your pumpkin pulp. And if you're looking for it to shine, and shine it up, you'll be ready to go. So some people want to know, is this hard? It's a little hard if that's what you're meaning. Is it pliable? Yes. It'll bend with your costume. I think you'll be fine moving around in it. And does it stick to your costume? Yes. You're not going to get that off of there easy for sure, if any at all. So just keep that in mind. And I hope that all answers your questions so far. If you have any more, please feel free to hit me up. And hey, we'll see you on the next project that we make. Anyway, keep it creepy, guys.